In this brief tutorial, I'll show you how to use SEMrush to understand what keywords your competitors are ranking for through Google. So as you can see here, I'm in the SEMrush dashboard. And the first thing you want to do is type in your competitor's domain. Just for the sake of example, I'm going to choose something that all of us know, which is Whole Foods Market. So I'm going to type in wholefoodsmarket.com. Once you click search, it will show you this. This is the overview of everything about the domain Whole Foods Market. The first thing you want to look at is select the particular country that you're interested in knowing this information for. I'm going to select US because I want to know what keywords they're ranking for in the US. Scroll down and you'll see a section that's called Organic Research. Press View Details. Wait for the page to load, and then underneath you'll see organic search positions. This is going to show you all of the keywords that they rank for and how many pages that they're on. So if you scroll all the way down, you'll notice that there's probably a lot for Whole Foods. There's 7,276 words that they rank for. One of the most important things you'll want to look at, especially if you want to beat your competitor's position, is this filter right here, position. So you can understand what they're ranking the highest position for on Google and the lowest and everything in between. What that means is that you want to know what position in the search results they're ranking for. So example, if I look at something kind of generic that doesn't have the word Whole Foods in it, pumpkin perfection bar nutrition, they rank #1 for this. It means that on an average, when people search in the United States, they're usually #1 for this particular keyword, written exactly or typed exactly how the user types it in, pumpkin perfection bar nutrition. There's much more details here that I won't go into in this particular video, but I just wanted to show you how to figure out what keywords as a first step. If you have any other questions or would like to know more, you can leave a comment down below. But this is how you can use SEMrush to understand what your competitors are ranking for. For those of you who don't already pay for SEMrush, I actually have a code that will give you 14 days free as opposed to 7 days, which they usually offer to the general public. You can click it in the description below, sign up. It will ask for your credit card. However, if you cancel before the 14 days are up, your credit card will not be charged. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment, hit that thumbs up, and share with your friends. Have a good day. Thanks.